Many people know they should eat breakfast every day, but many struggle to actually make it happen in the morning. The good news is that there are plenty of healthy recipes out there that are quick and easy to prepare, making it easy to start your day off right with a nutritious breakfast. Try these 5 quick and healthy breakfast recipes that you can whip up in no time at all to give yourself more energy, fight off cravings, and stay healthy during your busy morning routine. 1. Almond butter and banana sandwich. Begin with 2 slices of whole grain bread. Spread 1 slice with 1/2 tablespoon of almond butter and then spread another slice with 1/2 banana mashed into a paste. Sandwich them together, put them in a pan, add some coconut oil or olive oil, sprinkle cinnamon over them, optional. Toast on medium heat until golden brown. That's it. A delicious way to start your day. This is perfect if you are trying out keto or just want something quick. Make sure you eat enough fat. 2. Fluffy quinoa porridge with berries. This breakfast will keep you full for hours. Quinoa is an excellent source of protein that also contains an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, fiber, and phytonutrients. Prepare it with almond milk to boost its nutritional profile. To up your intake of antioxidants at breakfast time, pair quinoa porridge with a serving of berries. 3. Cauliflower cheese muffins. These cauliflower cheese muffins are a tasty, low-carb alternative to bread. They are also rich in fiber, B vitamins, and protein. These muffins are a great addition to any breakfast table. Prepare them with your family on Sunday morning for breakfast or as a snack during your busy week ahead. The kids will love these healthy treats. 4. Mozzarella stuffed Parmesan mushrooms. These stuffed Parmesan mushrooms will rock your world. They are quick, easy, and make a great addition to any meal. Stuff them with spinach or other veggies for a healthier version of everyone's favorite appetizer. Perfect as party food or an easy breakfast, these stuffed Parmesan mushrooms will be sure to impress even your most skeptical guests. 5. Hearty tofu scramble recipe. A lot of people are scared away from tofu, but when prepared correctly, it's a great source of plant-based protein. When paired with nutrient-rich vegetables, tofu can make for a satisfying breakfast that keeps you going all morning long. To ensure your tofu scramble is as nutritious as possible, be sure to buy organic soy. Look for non-GMO brands like Trader Joe's or Whole Foods 365.